Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple dinner, Lala soup or clam soup with ginger. So I have 500 grams of Lala, wash and clean, quarter teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing white or Chinese cooking wine, 1.5 tablespoon of oyster sauce, about 2 inches nub of ginger I cut into stripe, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 piece of red chili I cut into thin slices, and quarter teaspoon of salt. I'll be using about 500 ml of water and 1 cup of basil leaf. Since we have already prepared the ingredients, cooking will be very quick. Within just 5 minutes, everything will be ready. Let's go and cook it. Put water in the pot. Put all the water in the pot. Switch on the heat. I'm going to put about 2/3 of the ginger in the pot. All the garlic, sesame seed oil, salt, oyster sauce. Just give it a stir. I'm going to cover the lid and bring it to boil. Alright, the soup started to boil. And we're going to put in all the Lala. Once put the Lala or the clam in, I'm going to cover the lid. Continue to cook for another 1 minute or until the Lala or the clam is open up. Once they open up means that they are cooked. Alright, it is ready. See, all the Lala or the clam is already open up. Look at that. Now I can taste it. Wow, it's so delicious. It's enough taste, enough flavor. So everything is ready. Now I'm going to switch off the heat. And now I'm going to put in the chili, the ginger, and we stir in the basil leaf. Once you put in the ginger and the basil leaf, this is really a very nice fragrance. Very simple. And last, I'm going to put in the Shaoxing wine. Give a nice aroma of the Chinese cooking wine. Alright, a simple dinner Lala soup is ready. This is best served immediately once it's cooked, so I'm going to dish out and serve. Oh, look at that. Wow, the soup is so delicious. It's very tasty, nice flavor of the clam and rich aroma of cooking rice wine, ginger, and also basil leaf. Everything blends so well together. Lovely. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.